Hi, I'm Tiki Bar Sam, and we're at Sam's Tiki Bar. And today, we're gonna make the Tiki Amaretto Sour. I came up with the idea of an Amaretto Sour, but let's make a Tiki fight. So how do you do that? You look it up on ChatGPT, and it gives you the recipe. But then what I did is I altered it, because I don't have all the stuff. So, let's see how this tastes. I didn't taste it yet, so I'm totally doing this without trying it yet. But here we go. The first thing that we have to put in is 1 egg white. I've never made a drink with an egg white before. And it's very nervous, and you just gotta put that in there. Gross. Ugh, egg white. Put it in there, but I did. Put this bowl over there. Okay. Now what we need is 1.5 ounces of amaretto. So this is my amaretto. This is the one that I have. And so then I need 1.5 ounces. So let's put the amaretto into this jigger here to measure it at 1.5 ounces. Boom, there we go. We have to put that into the shaker cup, this thing. It's right here. Boom, 1.5 ounces. Now I need 1 ounce of dark rum. You know what I do is this is my go-to. This is the Gosling's Dark Rum. That's what I like to use. So, and that's what I find at the liquor store. So 1 ounce of this stuff. Just put it in there. There. Now, we put in amaretto. We put in rum. Okay. We have to put in, and we put in the egg white. Okay. But we have to put in this sweet and sour mix. I've used this before. I tried it before I was going to make this drink. It's delicious. I didn't even put this in the refrigerator. It's good. I like it. So anyway, 2.5 ounces of this stuff. So I'm measuring it. That's 1.5 ounces, and then 1 more ounce. Boom. Now, here's the cool part with these things. We have to do a dry shake. A dry shake means that there is no ice in the shaker at all. So no ice. So here we go. And it says 10 seconds. So you're gonna shake this thing forever. Oddly satisfying. And I have to take this thing up, and you know, I struggle. Okay, here we go. Now I'm gonna put ice in there. So I have ice in this thing. I'm gonna put that in there, and then we have to shake it again. Until it's nice and cold. All right. It's making weird noises. Okay, there we are. Now let's strain it into my rocks glass. Here's my rocks glass. Let's see what it looks like. This looks very, very, very good. Hello. Well, let's put some bitters on it. We put some bitters on it. With a garnish. Looks pretty good. All right, now let's give it a taste. The Amaretto Sour, the Tiki Amaretto Sour. This is spectacular. I haven't made a drink. This is fantastic. I mean, this is a drink you make. You got to make this one. This is unbelievable. I mean, I can't believe how good this tastes. If you really want to get into the nitty-gritty of it, Agalima Organic? I don't know. But delicious. Look how it's separated. Oh my gosh. This is What movie am I going to recommend with this one? Taxi Driver. It's such a good movie. You looking at me? You looking at me? I love that movie so much. I want you to watch Taxi Driver. It's a very good movie. It's not that long. Robert De Niro's in it. It was directed by Martin Scorsese. Watch that movie and have Tiki Amaretto Sour. Doesn't get much better than this. This is delicious. Well, this is Tiki Bar Sam wishing you a great day and a great weekend, and see you next week. Okay, bye-bye.